Ever feel like your day is just spreadsheets, emails, and total chaos? Watch this. I'm about to turn hours of your work into just minutes. Not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of CoSpaceGPT. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is designed to solve one of the most common struggles in your daily life. Time wasted on repetitive, frustrating tasks. Now, imagine staring at a clustered spreadsheet, feeling overwhelmed because you don't really know what to do, right? You have the numbers that refuse to make sense. And with this Excel analyzer, CoSpaceGPT transforms that mess to clarity, instantly summarizing and visualizing the data into a clean, actionable insights. Now, I will show that to you in a bit. What once caused that stress now becomes that effortless part of the workflow. Now, spreadsheets aren't the only bottleneck. Drafting that perfect email, the reply can also be equally draining. You are dealing with admin stuff. You have the emails, you have the Microsoft Office, you have Words, Excel. This one will definitely be your best friend. And guys, CoSpaceGPT's built-in email composer also removes that guesswork, which generates that polished responses in seconds. So no more overthinking. The relief is super immediate. Trust me, guys. This platform also introduces customizable AI assistants with the unique skill set. Users will be able to select an assistant in chat, whether to fact check or a complex statement, captions in a specific tone, or reframe content creatively. So the ability to switch assistants on demand provides that flexibility and precision and turns your multitasking into a super seamless process rather than a stress point. Now, the true impact of CoSpaceGPT comes clear when measured in time saved. Now, instead of wrestling with spreadsheets or emails, users see hours that are returned to their day, 2 hours today becomes that tangible reality. Now, guys, the result is simple yet powerful. No stress, no wasted effort, and a workflow that feels completely transformed. So, CoSpaceGPT doesn't just assist, it redefines how work gets done. Now, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, I have been around their AI for some prompts. So see, look at this. So this is actually me asking the artificial intelligence. So as you can see, you have all the responses right here. Make a list, group and summarize, prioritize using the Eisenhower matrix, and you would be able to dig deeper. You can ask them, okay, what do you mean by Eisenhower matrix? What is Eisenhower matrix? Look at that. The Eisenhower matrix, also known as the urgent important matrix, is a simple decision-making tool for prioritizing tasks. So basically, if you do not understand anything that he is telling you, you would be able to do that here. And look at this, guys. This is the amazing stuff. Do you know how to do VLOOKUP in Excel? Oh my goodness, this will definitely help you out big time. If you could ask them for like syntax like this, oh my gosh, that will be time saver and basically a lifesaver too. This will make you super efficient. Trust me, guys, you gotta try this one out. All right, so let me show you another very helpful tool that you will be able to use. Look at that, Email Composer. This will save you a lot of time and will actually show very professional, create thank you response. Actually, there are different tones and styles that you could choose from. Look at that. Professional, friendly, urgent, concise, formal, casual, and type of tone or style, you will be able to choose that right here. So say, for example, the content is an email that is saying that you see a packet and you would like to schedule a meeting or a video conference to talk more about next steps. Okay, so write a professional email. Thank you response. Let's do a thank you response right there. So goal is thank you response. And I would actually like to do a friendly. Okay, so friendly and then generate email. All right, let's do that. So just like that, guys, instead of, typing in and thinking of the best response that you could come up with in a certain email, you will be able to generate it right here. So say, for example, you can copy and paste this, okay? So you can put it in your email client and just adjust whatever, like the names and all that and the details. So say, for example, for this one, Dear Alex, I hope this email finds you well. I want to take a moment to thank you for sending the package. It has arrived safely and in excellent condition. So I'm truly grateful for your prompt attention to this matter. I would like to schedule a video conference to discuss the next steps in more detail. Please let me know your availability over the coming week, and I'll coordinate a time that works best for both of us. My goodness. Very time efficient, very professional. It will depend on how you would like that email to sound. And the best part is that you will be able to proofread it and adjust it to your liking. But then again, I mean, if I am the one that actually generated this and would be sending this, the only thing that I will be changing on this one would be the name, the title, company name, and like the email and the phone number. And I will be sending it as is. So you can go ahead and check this one out as well. That will help you out with your time and spending, the rest of the time saved to some things that are more important. So stop wasting the hours fighting with spreadsheets and emails, guys. Go to CoSpaceGPT right now and set up your own AI assistant and reclaim your day. So guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.